Cutaneous subacute lupus with chronic HCV infection. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Chronic hepatitis C remains a significant global health burden affecting a substantial number of individuals worldwide. Chronic infection with hepatitis C virus HCV is the leading cause of chronic hepatitis, cirrhosis, and liver cancer, and is the primary indication for liver transplantation. HCV can produce extrahepatic clinical manifestations and simulate autoimmune, rheumatologic, and dermatologic diseases. A 34-year-old female patient presented to the dermatology department of the University Hospital Center, Mother Teresa, with a lingering cutaneous eruption accompanied by itching and burning. Clinical examination revealed malar facial rash and papulosquamous lesions on the back, chest and upper limbs. The lab results show positive antinuclear antibodies, extracted nuclear antigens, and cryoglobulins. The systemic corticosteroid therapy prednisolone 50 mg and interdisciplinary consultations nephrologist, rheumatologist, neurologist and gastrohepatologist were initiated together for the patient. Chronic HCV infection may be associated with clinical extrahepatic manifestations, which can be interpreted incorrectly. This case reflects the ability of HCV to imitate a cutaneous and systemic lupus erythematosus that easily could have been wrongly diagnosed and mismanaged. Close cooperation between the relevant specialists in such a case is essential. HCV infection can be added to the list of possible differential diagnoses of an acute subacute cutaneous lupus erythematosus. Introduction. Hepatitis C is a liver disease caused by the hepatitis C virus HCV, which spreads mainly through blood contact. Although identified officially in 1989, it was causing many post-transfusion hepatitis cases as early as the 1970s. The virus has several genetic types, and its chronic form affects around 180 million people worldwide. Long-term HCV infection can lead to serious liver damage, including cirrhosis, scarring, liver cancer, and even liver failure, often requiring a transplant. Beyond the liver, HCV can also trigger other health problems, mimicking diseases like lupus and causing skin and kidney issues. This can lead to misdiagnosis and inappropriate treatments. One such case involves a patient with chronic hepatitis C who developed skin lupus and kidney problems, showing how HCV can affect many parts of the body. These complications highlight the need for accurate diagnosis and careful management to improve the patient's quality of life and reduce health risks. Conclusion. Chronic HCV infection may be associated with clinical extrahepatic manifestations that can be interpreted incorrectly. This case reflects the ability of HCV to imitate cutaneous and systemic erythematous lupus syndrome that could easily be diagnosed incorrectly and mismanaged. Close cooperation between the relevant specialists in such cases is essential. Shkodrani et al., 2018. HCV infection should be added to the list of possible differential diagnoses of an acute subacute cutaneous lupus that is associated with impairment of the internal organs. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.